I once had a 30-day content calendar last me 7 months. The reason that it lasted 7 months is not because we didn't execute content in that time. The reason it lasted 7 months is because any time we put out a piece of content and a question or a comment came in that we could action with another piece of content, that moved to the top of the list. So as you can imagine, by the end of the month, our content that came out never looked remotely close to the content that we planned for. And we did that on purpose because our content calendar was always plan B. Our goal was that every time we created a video, it would be in direct response to somebody in our audience. And when you do that, it does two things. One is it keeps you in tune with the audience and what they actually want to see. And two, it turns casual viewers into brand champions and die-hard fans. And that should be the goal with all of your content. When you highlight your audience in your content, it gives them a stake. It makes them feel like they are part of the team. So go ahead, create your 30, 60, 90-day content calendar as you normally do. But when you get a request that you can action, move that to the top of the list.